Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the buzz surrounding Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event and the star of the show, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. If you're a fan of sleek design and cutting-edge tech, you're in for a treat. Design and dimensions. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is set to continue the legacy of its predecessor, the Tab S9 Ultra, with a familiar notch design and sleek dimensions measuring 326.4 x 200 and 8.6 x 5.45 millimeters. This ensures a comfortable upgrade path for existing users. Camera setup. One of the highlights is the front-facing camera setup, sporting a dual-lens configuration likely to include wide and ultra-wide lenses. Perfect for crisp selfies and enhanced video calls, Samsung's commitment to versatile front cameras remains strong. Features and functionality. Moving to the rear, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra doesn't disappoint with additional cameras and a convenient magnetic S Pen holder. Coupled with 4 loudspeakers, users can expect a premium audio-visual experience ideal for multimedia consumption. Performance and chipset. Under the hood, speculation surrounds the chipset powering the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. While the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is confirmed to feature the Dimensity 9300 Plus, the Ultra variant's choice between Snapdragon options remains a hot topic. Will Samsung opt for the Snapdragon X Elite/Plus chips or stay exclusive with Snapdragon? Stay tuned as we uncover more details. As excitement builds for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, one thing is clear. Samsung is poised to deliver another powerhouse in the tablet arena, blending style, functionality, and performance. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this and other groundbreaking tech from Samsung. Thanks for watching.